Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to Odoo. So first up, what you need to do is to buy a domain from a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain registrar. Then, manage the DNS records for your domain through the registrar's control panel. Next up, configure your DNS records. So to add an A record, set the type to A, enter the IP address of your Odoo instance, and leave the port number out. Next, set up Nginx or Apache. Install Nginx or Apache on your Odoo server, then configure Nginx to handle requests on port 80 HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. Then create a server block in Nginx configuration to point to your Odoo instance. And then edit the Odoo configuration file, which is odoo.conf. Just set the proxy underscore mode to true and then add your domain name to the DB filter parameter if needed. Now, if this is a bit tricky for you, just feel free to pause the video and use these codes as reference so you can follow along. Next up, secure your domain with SSL. So install certbot to obtain a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Then, run certbot to generate and install the SSL certificate for your domain. Then restart Nginx or Apache to apply the new configuration. Restart Odoo as well to ensure all changes take effect. And finally, open your browser and navigate to your custom domain. And then verify that your Odoo instance is accessible via the custom domain. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.